Hi. My name is Vinay and you are watching EduSmart. I hope everyone is preparing well for their placements. Keeping this in mind, I have brought you another interesting opportunity. So if you are a 2021 year of pass out, that is a final year student, this is for you. So basically, the company is IHS Markit and it is hiring for two positions. The first is operations and the next is like a software developer role. So these are the two basic roles that are available as far as now. And this hiring is named as 2021 graduate program. So in this program, they will basically start the program like in January and it will take forward till July 2021. So January 2021 to July 2021. So post completion of this program, if you are successfully completing this, you will be taken for a full-time employment opportunity at IHS Market Careers. So if you like this video, please stay tuned till the end of this video. I have a small recommendation before we begin. I make these videos on free courses, off-campus recruitments, placement opportunities, company reviews, etc. And if you think this stuff can help you, I recommend you to watch these videos where I have made already a lot of videos, and you can also apply for them if you have not yet applied. So that is about these videos. And if you like them, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's get started with today's video. So as I've been mentioning, the best thing about this is there are a lot of locations available for this graduate program, be it Hyderabad, Noida, Uttar Pradesh, and Bangalore, Karnataka, and Gurgaon. So there are a lot of available locations for this. The positions, as I have mentioned, it is operations, and we also have development role. So when we say development role, it is software development role. For operations, it is like financial operations, like finance students or basically degree BCA, BSc students. For such kind of students, these operations may applicable. So I will be talking about the development role. Whoever interested in this can check out the link in the description box below for the operations role and all. Or you can check the link in the description. I have left the link in there. Now let us talk about the development role which is in this. So the thing is, they are hiring for this role. Basically, this is a global company and they are naming it as our graduate development program. So the role is software development, quality assurance, information technology, and infrastructure. So what are they looking for? Requirements: problem solving, excellent communication, ability to learn and adapt quickly, ability to build strong working relationships in a collaborative setting. So for this, what we call the start date, as I mentioned, 2021 to 2021. Package is not disclosed, and but basically they did not disclose the package here. But while you are applying for this, they will ask you for a question stating what is your expected salary. So here comes the main thing about this. You must be concentrating to give this answer. Based on your answer, they will provide you the test link. So if you say something like 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, that may not be reasonable, right? So if your skill sets are that, you can apply like that. So it depends on your knowledge and all. Uh, I cannot say a simple statement for this, because if I say the simple statement and everyone writes the same statement, so they may cannot give testing for you all. So I'm leaving it to you. Think about it and provide a good statement about your salary expectations. If they like it, they will definitely provide you the next step of recruitment. The next step of recruitment is biometrics test. Biometrics test is simply a series of 12 games that are to be played by yourself. They will provide you the test link, and about 20 minutes you will be completing this test in 20 minutes about this game. Okay, so you need to complete this game. In order to complete this game, you need to have either a mobile phone or a laptop or a computer. You cannot complete this in tablet. So that is about biometrics game. So based on your resume and your answer, they will provide you the test link. That is important because you are applying to the careers page. So as I said, there are a lot of available here, like locations. I hope many will apply for these roles. And talking about the selection process, this company has about 3 to 4 rounds. The first round, as mentioned, is biometrics, where it is an initial screening. Post this, you will be having a telephonic round, and after that, you'll be having a technical interview. So it depends on the role that you are suitable for. So if you are a development role, you will be having a technical round. If not, like an operations role or some other role, if you are selected for such roles, you will have a different role. Okay, like you will be having a technical interview for that role, this specific role. So the technical interview is not same for everybody here. So I mentioned it as a technical interview, but it may not be same for every applicant. Talking about that, you'll be having till 2020 the next round was face-to-face interview, where you need to go to the company location that you have applied and you're going to give the your interview. But due to the pandemic, we cannot say it is offline interview. Maybe it can be a virtual interview too. So it depends on the company prospects and whatever it is thinking that can be done by the company itself. So that is about the recruitment process. Talking about whether to apply for it or not, I strongly recommend you to apply for it. Company reviews, coming to the company reviews, I have seen the reviews on Glassdoor from abroad, like from people from North America and Europe, etc. The company reviews were not that good, but some students got offer letters, some students were not given offer letters. So it depends on the company and the vacancies available out there. So and your performance. So if you perform really well, they will definitely hire you for the graduate program. If not, not. So some students gave a bad experience on Glassdoor and some students gave a good experience. So it is still July 2021, right? So you can apply for this. And if you get selected, and you can think about it later, like when you have 2 or 3 opportunities in your hand, at that moment of time, you can think whether to join this or not. So it is all about post completion criteria. So don't worry too much about whether to apply or not. Just apply for it, provide good answers, and if you provide a very well answers and if your resume is good, they will definitely get a biometrics test. And also let me know in the comment section below that whether you require a biometrics test screen recording. So because I'm going to give the test soon, in another half an hour to 1 hour, I will give the biometrics test. I will screen record it if you need it, and I'll upload it on the YouTube channel. So if you like that, let me know in the comment section below so that I will be ready with the test and upload it. And also let me know whether you need a 20-day strategy to crack TCS NQT. I have a strategy to crack TCS NQT within 20 days. Like what you need to do in this and how to prepare for that and what rounds you need to concentrate on. The previous experiences of seniors and etc. I will be discussing here. So if you need such a round, like if you need such a strategy to crack TCS and QT, let me know it in the comment section below. So your duty is to talk about 2 things in the comment section below. The first thing is whether you need a biometrics test screen recording and TCS and QT strategy. So based on your response, I will react and I will upload the videos. And one more thing, thank you so much for watching this video till now. And please do share this video with your class groups, like be it WhatsApp groups or with your friends, close friends, etc. so that everyone will be get benefited. And if I get more number of people talking about the recruitment opportunities and commenting it out, it stands like a motivation for me, and which can lead me to take more opportunities for you. So at the end, we will both get benefited with this. I hope you may like this, for I have been as much as genuine and I gave the details as much as possible for this, and did not hide anything or did not overshow this, something like that. Okay. So if you like this video, please do share it with your friends, guys. And that's all about for this video. Also, let me do not forget to know about talk about your videos, like you need TCS strategy or you need some other videos, like if you need some videos of finance, some BCA students or BBA students somewhere. If you are like such people, let me know in the comment section below. Only if I know you very much better, I can provide you very good opportunities. Isn't that good? Right. So thank you so much for watching this video.